In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the speaker in FaceTime, a simple yet often necessary task that can enhance your calling experience. Whether you're in a noisy environment wanting to keep your conversation private, or simply prefer the sound quality from your earpiece or headphones, learning how to toggle the speaker feature during a FaceTime call can be quite useful. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to open the FaceTime app on your device. You can either initiate a call or answer an incoming one. It doesn't matter if it's a video or audio call, the steps are the same. Once you're connected and the call is underway, you'll notice a set of call controls on your screen. If they're not visible, don't worry. Simply give your screen a single tap to reveal them. This will bring up various icons, each symbolizing different features and settings you can adjust during your call. Now focus on finding the speaker icon, which is usually situated near the top of your screen on some devices, or perhaps on the side for others. The exact location might vary slightly depending on your specific model, but it should be easily noticeable among the other controls. The icon might look like a speaker or might be labeled with the word speaker next to it. Once you locate the speaker icon, take a quick look to see if it is highlighted or illuminated. This indicates that the speaker mode is currently active, meaning the sound is projecting through your device's loudspeakers. If you're in a situation where speaker mode isn't appropriate, or if you prefer using other audio outputs, you'll want to turn this off. To do so, all you need is to tap on the speaker icon. With a simple tap, it will deactivate. Now that you've turned off speaker mode, your audio will automatically switch to your iPhone's earpiece. Alternatively, if you have a Bluetooth headset or a pair of AirPods connected, the audio will seamlessly redirect to them, providing a more personal or hands-free experience. The device intelligently chooses the best available option to ensure you continue your conversation comfortably and without interruption. And that's it, you've successfully turned off the speaker in FaceTime. This little adjustment can make a significant difference, especially if you're talking to someone in a public space or trying to focus on your call without disturbing others. Keep this handy tip in mind the next time you're on a FaceTime call and need to adjust your audio settings quickly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Until next time.